Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're so happy to have every single one of you here. Today, I am here with my daughter, Ava, and Hi, Ava.
I was trying to say hi. You told me to say hi last time.
Yeah, we're working on learning to make our voice louder and speak clearly, so we're works in progress, right? You losing your head?
Maybe. Okay, we're good.
So we are here to celebrate day number 4 of Vlogmas. For those of you who are new here, what we're doing are advent calendar unboxings, and then at the end of each video I am sharing my top 25 WW favorites. If you're only here for the WW, that is just fine. I will put a timestamp down below so you can jump directly to that part. If you're only here for the advent calendars, I will put a timestamp down below as well. Feel free to watch both though, guys. I truly appreciate every minute you choose to spend with us. You ready to get started, Ava?
Yeah.
All right, let them know which one you're opening first.
We're doing 12 Days of Beauty from Big Lots.
12 Days of Beauty from Big Lots. Oh, that's a pretty one.
This is for little kids.
Yes, this one is geared towards little kids. What is it? It's a unicorn.
Frosting flavored lip gloss.
Frosting flavored lip gloss. Why does everything that's for little kids make me want to eat it?
I don't know. I think unicorn.
Love it. That is adorable. You want to hold it or you want me to put it back behind you? Okay, let's go ahead and check out what day number 4 is for Keurig. This is a new one. This is Donut Shop Red Velvet flavor. I have not had this before, but I have had Donut Shop before and I love it. So very excited to give this one a try. All right, now Ava, what advent calendar do you have for them?
We are going to be opening the 12 Days of Beauty Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's.
Let's find number 4. Oh, found it.
That was easy. Did they not go in order on that one?
No, they just go like bang.
Bang, it's good.
Bang.
This Trader Joe's one is really neat, guys. If you haven't picked this up yet, you might want to consider doing it just to have the products for yourself. You don't have to open them one each day. And it wasn't very expensive. I think we paid 20 bucks for that. We paid $20 for this one. While you pick that up, I'm going to tell them the rest. For the glossy box, this was my most expensive one, but like I said, I've been planning on this one since last year. It was $80. And then her Big Lots one, I think, was what, $10 or $5?
That one was $5.
$5.
The other one is $10, but we ain't gonna tell you what it is.
Yeah. We have 2 12-day advent calendars that we're opening. So the second set of 12 days is going to be a big surprise for you.
I might steal this from you.
Hold your hand behind it.
Toasted marshmallow body butter.
Toasted marshmallow body butter. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Is it closed all the way, or do you think we can smell it? Oh! Whoa!
No, it smells
that smells fantastic.
You know when you walk into Bath and Body Works, it smells exactly
It
like
reminds
that.
you of Bath and Body Works. This is actually going to go in my purse. I'm going to use this for our hand lotion.
Okay.
This is fantastic. Okay. We finally get to open day number 4 of Glossy Box, and I know right where it is because it's a big, huge box.
Can I open it?
I think it's brushes. What do you think? Sorry if I said that off camera.
Gotta make the noise, Mom.
All right, Ava. Sing it.
I'll open it for you.
Thanks, Ava. Look, this is how long it is. Day number 4. What do you think it is? I think brushes.
I think a big thing.
No. Oh.
Bye.
Coming out the other end.
Bye.
It is a great big fur ball. Fur ball.
May I pick that up for you?
Oh. Oh, it's not a brush. I think I know what it is, though. Yep. Makeup eraser, the original. The original makeup remover. Now, I have tons of these. I don't have this brand, but either way, Ava and I both have some that we love. So this is going to go in a giveaway for you guys. So if you're into makeup erasers, stay tuned for a giveaway. Okay, Ava, so which one was your favorite so far? We've done 4 days of Vlogmas. What is your all-time favorite product?
This one.
The cherry lip gloss. Put your hand behind it so they can see it. Strawberry. I'm sorry. Okay. And my favorite so far is... What was I most excited about?
Do you like marshmallow?
I do like the lotion, but I am so excited about that lavender candle. So, yeah, I think that's my favorite so far. Okay, guys, let's jump to my day number 4. Day number 4, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments, what is your favorite thing that I've shown you so far? Jingle bells are distracting. Shake it, shake it. We need to get out more. Anyways, guys, we will let you go. Again, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. So please consider hitting that little picture of me down there in the corner or the red subscribe button down below. And until next time, guys, what do we say, Ava? But this is Vlogmas, so what do we say first? Happy holidays and keep smiling. Bye, guys.